The 2026 Lincoln Corsair features the premier FWD trim, emphasizing luxury and comfort, while the 2026 GMC Terrain offers the FWD 4DR elevation, focusing on a sporty, versatile appeal. The Corsair stands as a compact luxury SUV, delivering upscale features and refinement, whereas the Terrain is a compact SUV built for everyday versatility and practicality. The Corsair commands a premium price at $39,985, reflecting its luxury status, while the Terrain offers a more budget-friendly $30,200, appealing to cost-conscious buyers. Under the hood, the Corsair packs an intercooled turbo premium unleaded i4, promising robust performance, while the Terrain runs on a turbocharged gas i4, balancing power and efficiency. Power-wise, the Corsair delivers a strong 250 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute, significantly outpacing the Terrain's 175 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute. The torque battle favors the Corsair again with 280 lb-ft at 3,000 revolutions per minute, offering more pulling power compared to Terrain's 184 lb-ft between 1750 to 4,800 rpm. The Corsair is equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission with dual shift mode for a sporty driving experience, while the Terrain uses a smooth CVT automatic transmission focusing on efficiency. The Corsair's engine displaces 2.0 liters, larger than the Terrain's 1.5 liters, hinting at its greater power potential. Fuel economy favors the Terrain with 26 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway, beating the Corsair's 22 city and 30 highway, making Terrain the more economical choice for daily driving. Both SUVs have similar wheelbases, with the Terrain slightly longer at 107 inches compared to the Corsair's 106.7 inches, affecting interior space subtly. Length is nearly identical, Corsair at 181.4 inches and Terrain at 181 inches, meaning both occupy similar footprint on the road. The Terrain stands taller at 66 inches, potentially offering more headroom and a commanding view, while the Corsair is lower at 64.1 inches, emphasizing a sleek profile. When it comes to power and luxury, the 2026 Lincoln Corsair delivers a commanding performance with its superior horsepower and upscale trim. On the other hand, the 2026 GMC Terrain shines with better fuel efficiency and a more accessible price point, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious drivers.